Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear students, grade 4. The lesson today is about working with text in Microsoft PowerPoint. Working with text means, like before, means the formatting of text in the document, means the appearance or the look of your text in your document. Okay. And in this chapter, inshallah, chapter 9, we will teach you how to insert the text box and changing the cases. Changing the cases means from uppercase to lowercase and from lowercase to uppercase. Let's open a new PowerPoint presentation. New PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Here we created one. Let's open it. Okay, here it says that click to add first slide. Just click on the middle of the page where it has the message, and it says click to add the title. As I teach you before, just click on the outside boundary of this box and press delete button, and the same thing here with the other box. Just click on the outside boundary and press delete. Here, if I'm going first to insert box, text box, first I will insert, for example, word art. Okay, and let's say computer components. Okay, and I will drag my title up here. Now I will insert text box. Just click on the insert tab, and you have here in the text group you have text box. Just click on the text box and come where you want to insert your text box. Press the left button, mouse left button, keep it pressed, and then drag your box, right? Drag your box and then release the mouse button. Here you have a text box ready to use. Okay, and you can insert text on it. Like, for example, I will use this one, numbering, right? And I will just say one hardware, and automatically if I press enter, it will give me number 2 automatically, and software, right? And if I click on the outside boundary of the text like this, when the pointer becomes like a cross with 4 sides arrow outside in the boundary, I can make this look a little bit bigger, increase the size of your font. Okay, and if you wish to make it bold, it's okay. So this is about inserting text box, and it's pretty easy. Just click insert tab and then text box and draw your box. We have here the other part of our lesson is, let's create first a new slide. The other part of our lesson is changing the case. For example, I have here the cases like this: all capital, success, international, school, all written in a big font, means capital letter, all capital letter. Okay, and if I want to change the case of this one, I just have to highlight the text and click here for changing the case, right? Change it to a lowercase. Now it became in small letter. Again, I can change it to uppercase if I want, and vice versa. Also, there is something called toggle case. Toggle case is like this: toggle, right? Case. As you see here, the starting of the word is a small letter, right, and the rest of the word is a capital letter. To toggle it, I can toggle this case from here, okay, or return it back as it was before. This is the toggle case, means it makes the letters which were capital to a small, and the letter which were small to a capital letter. Thank you very much, my dear students. It was a small lesson for today. Thank you very much for following, and I hope everybody the best.